Hi guys, so we're here at...
Hi guys, this is our Taiwan day 2. I want to make this video as raw as possible, so I'll be talking less. So heads up, this is a 5-minute video, so tapusin nyo to. Enjoy guys! Day 2. Taiwan day 2. Hi guys! Guys, kung mapapansin nyo yung videos ko, puro Simanding District. It's cause we live right in the area.
Sobra naman, titig na titig.
So now we are on our way to Maokong Gondola, and after doing that, magpapababa kami sa Taipei Zoo South Station.
Smile!
Sige, go. Hindi, ikaw mag-picture na rin. Video tayo.
1, 2...
Saan ang payment?
Baby. Eto na nga ang sisi kong takot sa heights. Watch her fear of heights.
Ay, sabay.
Okay, picture ako kayo.
Hindi, dapat. Okay.
Enzo.
Trinay lang na talaga natin balikan to.
May ano ka sa
Kasi
kayo?
ang Maokong ay parang pwede tayong maglakad sa kanto.
Okay.
Hindi yung view eh.
Oo.
Grabe to.
Nagganito na kami sa Chicago.
Yung asawa mong fixated sa US. Ever since nag-US kami, wala siyang ibang ginawa kundi i-compare lahat ng mga napuntahan niya sa US. Kaya yung mga nakakausap niya, umay na. So now, we are done with our gondola at naandito na kami sa Taipei Zoo. Medyo mahaba-haba to. Ang papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga animals na nakita namin throughout. Guys, one thing that we also like about Taipei Zoo is that it's so family-friendly. There are a lot of available family restrooms, breastfeeding area for moms, so many food kiosks or parang mga food court. Hindi kayo magugutom. And there are also so many areas where you can rest up when you get tired. Wow, where? So guys, if you'll notice, palitan lang to nung ipapakita ko, si Enzo and then yung animals. Because it's Enzo's first time sa zoo. So I'm super excited to see his reaction every time nakakakita siya ng animals that he only gets to see on TV and sa mga libro.
Enzo, what's that? What's that, Ele?
Enzo, what's that?
What's that, Enzo? What's that, Enzo? Look! And also, please bear with us kasi yung mga linyahan lang namin, Enzo, look! Enzo, what's this? Enzo, what's that? Kasi nga, we're just so excited to show him the world of animals. So,
May face ka na, touch.
Hi to Penguin! Penguin! Where lang?
guys, did you know that Taipei Zoo is the largest zoo in Asia? So if you are considering to go here, you might as well allot a full day for this itinerary. The area was so big, we weren't able to tour the whole thing kasi they closed at 5 p.m. So after nun, we went back to Simanding where we live. And nung gabi, nag-rest up na lang kami a bit. And yun nga, nung gabi, nag-food trip na lang kami. Overall, the Taipei Zoo is really a good itinerary. It's perfect if you have a kid or if you yourself are a kid at heart or you love animals. Sobrang ma-enjoy nyo talaga to. So again, that's it guys for our second day. I hope tinapos nyo yung 5-minute video and nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. So thanks guys for watching.